Alrighty boys, we are back. It's time to go to work here at the shop. We'll turn the welder on and we're gonna do some welding today. I appreciate everybody watching the video there yesterday. We're gonna get back at it again on this rear end here. See if we can finish up the bottom end of it and see what we can get done here. So let's rock and roll, guys. Well, alrighty guys, man, we got to get some welding done to this housing. I tell you, man, it's really fun coming home and doing a little bit of TIG work each day. It's very relaxing for me. I put on some good music on the radio and fire up the old TIG torch and go to town. And to me, it's kind of like one of those things. It's kind of got some arts to it. You know, you kind of, make something really pretty, and when it comes out nice, guys, I tell you, man, it makes you feel really cool. But this is definitely a very nice rear end that's going to be going out to a customer. Very, very happy with it. Should be, hopefully, tomorrow, we should be finishing up completely on this thing. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that's about it for tonight. I got pretty much all this welding wrapped up. I got a little bit more to do tomorrow. All the nooks and crannies are now done on this rear end except for the housing ends and the drain in the back of it. So we're getting really, really close on this thing. Tomorrow, hopefully I should wrap this thing up on that. Let's turn the welder off. I'll show you guys what else we got going on. Oh, there we go. Go on over here. Show you guys what's up on these knuckles. Or I keep calling them knuckles, but the inner and outer C's, check them out. Getting ready to put the welds on those things, rocking and rolling there, so they're starting to take shape. All that stuff is looking good, and we're rocking and rolling there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Again, this is just another one of these daily vlogs we're going to be doing, so you guys can kind of see what all I'm up to each day and pump some more videos out there. Make sure you pick up yourself a Freedom shirt on the website, KilmarSports.com. Check this shirt out right here. All right, guys, you want to make sure you go to the website, KilmarSports.com, and get you one of these websites. Get you one of these t-shirts. It's getting late, guys. I need some sleep. So be sure and get you one of those Freedom shirts there. Also, check out all the components and stuff we got on there as well. We're still waiting on the EGT kits from Holly for the GTO. So I really can't work on it right now until this rear end gets done and a couple other kits get done on the other side. We got to get shipped out this week as well. So that's what's going on there. I think that's it for me in this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. See you.